The sunset looks perfect with you here.
This moment feels so peaceful.
I love spending time with you.
I love being with you too.
Your smile always makes me happy.
Your voice makes me feel calm.
I missed you today.
I missed you too.
I kept thinking about you.
Really?
All day long.
That is so sweet.
You are always on my mind.
You make my heart feel warm.
You make my life brighter.
I feel safe with you.
I will always protect your heart.
And I will always stay beside you.
I like hearing you laugh.
I like seeing you smile.
Your eyes are beautiful.
You always say romantic things.
That is because you inspire me.
You make me blush.
You look cute when you blush.
Stop teasing me.
I am only telling the truth.
Then keep talking.
I could talk to you forever.
I would listen forever.
I never feel lonely with you.
Me neither.
I think we understand each other.
Our hearts feel connected.
I think so too.
James, can I tell you something?
Of course.
You make ordinary days special.
And you make special days unforgettable.
That sounds so romantic.
Love makes me romantic.
Then I like your love.
I like your love too.
Do you ever think about our future?
All the time.
What do you see?
I see us together forever.
That makes me happy.
I want to travel with you.
I want that too.
I want late night talks with you.
And coffee dates every weekend.
Sometimes I still cannot believe I met you.
Maybe
Fate brought us together.
I believe that.
I feel lucky.
Because you are deeply loved.
My heart beats fast around you.
Mine does too.
I think I am falling for you more every day.
I already fell deeply in love with you.
Hearing that feels magical.
Loving you feels magical.
You always know the right words.
My heart speaks honestly around you.
Your honesty is beautiful.
I never want this feeling to end.
It never will.
The stars look beautiful tonight.
Nothing is more beautiful than you.
Because your smile is adorable.
You really love teasing me.
I really love you.
I love you too.
Say it again.
I love you, James.